Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of deleting your WhatsApp account. If you've decided that it's time to part ways with the app, this updated guide will help you do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen for the three dots. Tap on those to access a menu with various options. Next, select Settings from the menu. This is where you can manage your account and customize your app experience. After you enter Settings, look for the Account option and tap on it. Here, you'll find several important account-related settings. Now, it's time to take the final step. Tap on Delete Account. Before proceeding, make sure you understand that deleting your account is permanent. This means you will lose all your chat history, groups, and backups associated with the account. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and tap on this option. You'll now need to enter your country code and your phone number. Make sure you enter the information correctly, as this step is necessary for verifying your account. Once you've filled in the required details, tap on Delete Account at the bottom of the screen. After tapping that button, WhatsApp will ask for confirmation. Take a moment to review the consequences of deleting your account. If you're ready to go through with it, confirm your choice. And that's it. Your WhatsApp account will be deleted and all associated data will be permanently removed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your apps and staying updated with the latest features. Thanks for watching, and take care.